Tyre Butler is a retailer of batteries, tires, and also engine oil.
We have an app that allows a full suite of tire services to be performed at the customer place anytime, anywhere. Tyre Butler came together because we customized a tire machinery to be fitted on the back of a van. Having this machine allows us to do mobile services.
The tire industry has been operating in a very traditional way for decades. We wanted to innovate and we want to have a first mover advantage.
When customer places an order through the app, we can allocate the nearest mechanic to that customer.
For our mechanic, they welcome the idea because once the end user key in information like the items they want to purchase, it will go directly to their back-end system. So for them, it minimizes human error.
The system allows us to actually view the inventory in real time to show all the popular sizes, what is running out, and we can place an order immediately with the supplier. It helps us to save costs, we don't overbuy, and also our warehouse space are utilized fully.
Going paperless actually helps us to save time. Upon completion of the job, customers just have to sign on the mechanic's phone. And back-end process actually happen live, real time.
The mechanics that we have, we actually give them on-the-job training, we upgrade their skill set. They're able to use technology to help themselves. They're actually in a better position to help the company grow. Traditionally, brick-and-mortar retail tire shop incurs huge costs. So we bring this to the online workplace and reduce our costs by a lot. The whole spectrum of the work, almost 80% is done on that. I feel very honored and excited that we have been recognized. Of course, the job has just started. Once we have fine-tuned this for the local markets, this system can be duplicated and brought to the region for the same purpose.